Hi, hello, namaste. My name is Krishna Reddy. Today I want to discuss with you trigonometry super shortcut trick solution within 10 seconds, useful for all competitive exams and board exams. Super shortcut tips, tricks, solution especially made for you. Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends. My name is Krishna Reddy. Today I wanted to discuss with you trigonometry super shortcut trick solution within 10 seconds especially made for you. Today I came with a new trick and a new video. So today question is, if a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees, then the value of sin square a minus sin square b minus sin square c by using the given four options. So super shortcut tips and tricks solution. So that is, substitute a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 60 degrees in the given question, verifying a b c 60 60 plus 60 120 120 plus 60 is 180. So verified. I am taking given value is sin square a minus sin square b minus sin square c. All of you can remember, any question if you have two values negative symbol, you can take my logic. That logic is take minus common. So remaining value is minus sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c. After taking that minus is same bracket, I wanted to substitute a b c values here. So we get minus sin square a value 60 plus sin square b value 60 plus sin square c value 60 plus sin square 60 minus sin square 60 get cancelled. Remaining value is minus outside as it is and inside value sin square 60 is equal to minus sin 60 value root 3 by 2 whole square same equal to minus root 3 whole square, root 3 into root 3 3 divided by 2 2s are 4. So according to the given question, sin square a minus sin square b minus sin square c value, we are getting minus 3 by 4. After that I am going to option verification method. Option A, that is 2 cos a sin b sin c is equal to 2 into cos a value 60 into sin b value 60 into sin c value 60 is equal to 2 into cos 60 1 by 2 sin 60 root 3 by 2 sin 60 root 3 by 2. Numerator denominator 2 get cancelled. Remaining numerator value root 3 into root 3 3 by denominator 2 2s are 4, not matching. So it is not correct option. Next I want to go to option B, that is minus 2 cos a sin b sin c. You can verify 2 cos a sin b sin c. Here also we are having, but what is the difference between opposite symbol minus? So you can write as it is minus 2 cos a sin b sin c value already we got 3 by 4. So minus 3 by 4. We are getting same value option B. Anyhow you can verify option C and D also. So option C is 2 sin A cos B sin C. Substitute A, B, C 60 here. We get 2 into sin A value 60 cos B value 60 sin C value 60 is equal to 2 into sin 60 value root 3 by 2 cos 60 value 1 by 2 sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Numerator and denominator 2 get cancelled. Remaining numerator value root 3 into root 3 is 3 divided by denominator 2 2s are 4. It is not matching for that given question answer. So next last option D, that is 2 into sin A sin B cos C equal to 2 into sin A value 60 into sin B value 60 into cos C value 60 is equal to 2 into sin 60 value root 3 by 2 into sin 60 value root 3 by 2 into cos 60 value 1 by 2. Numerator and denominator 2 to get cancelled. After that, numerator value root 3 into root 3 is 3. By denominator 2 2s are 4. It is not matching. So option B is right answer. At that I want to tell you super shortcut logic. With logic also you can get answer easily. So by using option verification method also you can get same answer. So logic is very easy. So what is that logic? I am taking given value, that is sin square A minus sin square B minus sin square C. Any question if you have two values negative symbol, my logic you can follow. What is my logic? Take minus common. Remaining value is minus sin square A plus sin square B plus sin square C. After taking minus common, you can verify what is the negative symbol. A value is negative symbol minus sin square A. So according to my logic, outside minus you can write as it is. After that in the replace of A you may write cos A. After that you can verify remaining sin square B and sin square C is positive symbol. So you can write sin B sin C, and according to the given four options you are having two common. So what is the option satisfying for the four options? From four options option B is satisfying. You can go through option verification method or you can go through my logic method is very easy to get answer in short time. Thank you my dear friends. To get success, a friend in need, a friend indeed. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you satisfy with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. सबका मालिक एक है. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జాయ్ ఆఫ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ హెల్పింగ్.